Look who leaving us.
Oh God.
She gone. What are you doing? What are you doing? You making food? We hungry. We hungry.
I'm making egg and ham and turkey for you
Yeah.
and bagel.
Okay, we're gonna have some breakfast. As you know, we had turkey and ham for Christmas dinner. So you know the leftovers, what you do with it, you actually make breakfast with it, and it's shot and it's shell. It's sweet to the belly. I make you want to squeeze up something that you're not supposed to say after that word,
please.
squeeze. So Daniel's gonna give you a tutorial of how to cook breakfast.
First, you crack the egg.
You want to crack the egg. You want to make the egg simmer. Okay, make the egg simmer. When you hear it bubbling like that, now you walk away because the oil will get too hot for your hands.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Definitely not.
Okay. So basically this video is just explaining Danielle's mom is gone.
Yeah.
She's gone.
She's gone all the way to
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
We're going to Jamaica. Yo. Pot.
Stay away from my kitchen, sir.
That oil is too hot. Turn it down. See, this is a turkey right here, guys. There's a lot of turkey because nobody eats turkey. Just only me and everybody. As you can see, there's no ham left.
No, we have tons of ham left
Where?
in the fridge.
Oh, you just took that out.
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry. I apologize. We have tons of ham, guys. As you can see, Danielle's hotting up the turkey right here. And she's doing
A fried egg.
a fried egg.
But Chad's turkey is lame.
I think everybody misses mommy already.
Yeah.
Cause
We would have breakfast already.
yeah, we would have a dinner too. Some
Dinner
lovely
too.
dinner.
Now we have to fend for ourselves.
Yeah. Well, how you're struggling, guys. Help us.
Handel Morgan is gonna be cooking dinner today.
By the way, guys, we have to pick up bone with Andel when he comes. This morning I woke up on my phone, the oxtail.
The precious oxtail.
Oxtail. Handy counter. If you don't want any bubble in your eggs, you want to fry them out completely, you just flip it on where the bubble part is. You know what the bubble part is?
No.
It's called the yolk.
Oh.
That's the yolk. You flip the yolk and then it bubble out and it fry out, and then that's called a fry egg.
Sure.
Like that. As you can see, that's a fry egg.
Oh.
Fry egg. Guys, by the way, Brianna's here as well. We've been slaving her to make coffee.
Yes.
Because she be making that fire iced coffee. She works at Starbucks, guys, so if you want a link on them thing there, link me and me get the discount code for you.
You're trying to get me fired.
Yeah, but for real though, you make some fire iced coffee. Yo, me and Brian are going to open a shop, guys. A coffee shop, call it. What we're going to name it? What we're going to name it?
More sub.
More Sub.
Yeah.
Boom, boom. Cause Sub is Chad, last name, and More is Brianna's last name. Starts. So we're going to name it More Sub.
Coming at you live.
Yeah, coming at you live. Then probably going to go there and say, yo, where the subs at? Because, you know, sub.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Yo, me not gonna lie. The smell of this breakfast right now makes the atmosphere change its weather.
What?
Still cloudy. It's still cloudy. I don't know.
Brianna, what is one thing that you hate about Christmas, after Christmas?
The lines for the return.
Yeah, that bad. Nah, gonna lie, that is one thing. Guys, comment down below one thing that you hate about Christmas, after Christmas. One thing me hate about Christmas, well, after Christmas. See ya? See ya? See ya? If you take down the wall of this, somebody come help me. I'm sick right now. I'm tired of the tree now. Take it down. We're gonna keep it up till New Year's Day. What is your favorite cheese, guys? Mine is Swiss. Me hate American cheese, Swiss, provolone, and mozzarella. You can give me. What about you, Danny?
My favorite cheese is no cheese.
Yeah, Daniel don't really like
I'm
cheese.
not a cheesy. But if I had to choose, mozzarella.
Mozzarella, alright. Brianna, oh, who's that? Who is that? Chase, Chase, look, who's that? Ah. You smiling. I love you. What's your favorite cheese?
Toe cheese.
Toe cheese? I don't know. I never tried that. Never tried that. She said she liked toe cheese, so she actually liked the cheese in the toe.
What?
I'm just sitting here waiting for the food. I mean, it's taking like 10 years now. Yeah, like I'm dying, dog. Danielle, this is the main ingredient into
Can you come out to my
the egg. Let's put that in the egg right now. Let's put it in the egg now.
Come on.
Call it Ray and Nephew egg.
I'll burn you.
So Brianna, you miss mommy? Brianna hugged her up last night. I said, bye mom, I love you. I said, bye mom, I loved you. She gone, Jamaica left with dog.
Oh my god.
She, oh God, look at bun up toast. Toast.
Ow.
We no rise and boast with the toast. Oh, it's not so bad, babe.
No.
It's extra crispy. Danielle, toast the first bread, right? And this what came out. Look at that. It don't even look like it was even toasted. Very light skin. Very light skin. And then look here. Look at this now.
Brown skin.
Brown.
Girl.
Yeah, see that? Watch it. Oh God, it crusted,
It's
brother.
tough.
I don't mind that.
No, I don't mind that
You want a
either.
better toast?
No, so you want to get the good one?
This is not the good one. You say you don't want
So
that one.
who you going to broke out for who for teeth?
Alright, toast your own bread.
Get that to Junjun. Don't tell nobody. Get that to Junjun.
Come toast.
Nothing! As you can see, this is two contractorous dinners right
One
here.
with the extra char on top.
One with an extra char on top. Look at that, look at that. But that's all glazed right now, guys. Actually, it's oil. I'm not gonna lie to you. And look at this. Fandangolos egg. Oh God. Oh God, with the turkey. And then with the cheesy cheese. Don't know. Them said toe cheese better than this. So we're gonna find out. Danielle's biting. As you can see, Chase wants to go down.
Chase wants the floor.
Chase loves the floor. But Chase, you gotta eat with mommy. Eat bread. Look at Chase eating bread. Yummy. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, dance, dance. Everybody just dance, dance, dance. Everybody just dance, dance, dance. Everybody just dance, dance, dance. Good, nice piece of pork.
His sandwich can't be good like this with the good pork.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna use the bathroom and come back, dog. If you look for my sandwich, dog. Look here. Look here. Look here.
What the?
Still opening Christmas gifts. Now we're on to this sit and play walker.
So basically, the baby walk with this in the hand, you know?
So I had Chase in this like walker where he was actually in it and like walking, and then when we went to the pediatrician for the checkup, she was like, no, it's not good for them because I think it like hurts the hips or something. But it wasn't good for them, and so she told us to get this one where he can actually push. He may not be like ready for it yet, but when he is, he can push it and walk with it.
Yeah, and yeah, she said to get this, well, not get this one, but like she said recommend this one if you want to use one.
Yeah, so we're still opening up these gifts. Chase doesn't want to be in any chair or anything. He wants to be on the ground.
Yeah,
So.
he's been loving the ground more than, you know?
But guys, we want to know, what did you have for Christmas dinner?
Yeah.
Tell us.
Tell us right now, guys. We had lovely oxtail,
We had oxtail.
rice and peas,
We had fish.
fish, what's it called? Fish balls?
Yeah,
The white,
it was
but-
like snapper, I think,
Yeah.
with scotch bonnet.
like the snapper meat, yeah, the snapper
was
meat
so good.
with scotch bonnet, and it was rolled up and fried. That shot.
Yeah.
When you hear that, you know it's a shell.
Yeah, and we had turkey, we had ham, we had Christmas cake.
Oh God.
Oh, we had sorrel.
The Christmas cake is to die for.
Yeah, we had so much good food. It's like we're still eating it today.
Yeah,
we had ham.
we still have a whole heap of food. He's playing with it. By the way, his clothes are changed now because he had a contracturous doo-doo.
It was bad.
Really bad.
It was all over the ground.
Yeah, it was bad, bad, bad. And I was fixing this,
You had to
and
go bathe.
and Daniel had to go bathe him real quick, like ASAP.
But look, it's now.
I think he likes it. If you flip this, this is what. Look, this is counting.
Wow.
Wow. You're playing with it. You like it? Cool. That is so cool.
Chase found the horsey.
Yeah, he ran to the horsey right now, guys. He wants to be in the horsey now. Come, you gotta grab right here. Ready? And in the gates and off the racing. Yeah. 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 Remember, you gotta hold on to it. Hold on to it. Hold on to it.
Wow.
Hold on to it. Look, show mommy. Show
Hi,
mommy.
Chasey.
Look.
Chase.
Show mommy.
You're on the horsey.
You're on the horsey. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Yeah, 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 yeah. Giddy up.
Ashley, you can't eat Chase's horse.
You like that horse? Yeah. See there? Yeah. Grab onto this. Grab onto your ears. Grab onto your ears. Come on, ride the horsey. Ride the horsey. Yeah, hit the horsey. Hit the horsey.
Don't hit the doggy.
Don't hit the doggy. Hit the horsey. Yeah, yeah. Hit the horsey. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Ready horsey. Ready horsey. Ready horsey. Ready horsey. Beat the horsey now. Go. Go. You're about to win the race. You're about to win the race. You're about to win the race. Yes. You win.
Chasey, you won.
You won the race.
You won the race. He's like,
Yeah. I think this is his favorite toy.
Yeah,
guys.
definitely.
All Christmas present. This is his favorite one. We're gonna go run some errands right now. So we're gonna end this video right here. And then we're gonna do another video later on today, okay? So you can see another video
yeah, we
tomorrow.
took a break.
Yeah.
And then now
Yeah, we actually took a break on Boxing Day. And we took a break on Christmas. Well, not really, because we didn't do a video on Christmas
We did
Day.
Christmas morning, but not the dinner.
Yeah, and we didn't do anything Christmas Eve, I believe. No, yeah, we didn't. Actually, we just went to do last minute shopping.
So now we gotta double up. So we're
Yeah.
gonna be doing 2 videos today, but we're gonna take a little break right now
Yeah.
and then start again.
Yeah, yeah, but we got a couple errands. I don't know what you mean by take break.
That's still a break from
No,
videoing.
it's not, because we have to edit this and then we have to do other things.
It's still a break from videoing.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you guys, thank you guys for your love and support. We can't say this enough. We really appreciate all the love and the support. Go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to be a part of the family. Go ahead and comment down below notification gang, because it's time for notification shout out time. First notification shout out goes to
Samantha Folks.
big up your damn self, you're gonna go right here. The second notification shout out goes to
Shanoya Clark.
big up your damn self, you're gonna go right here. The third and final notification shout out goes to
Tamara Wright.
big up your damn self, you're gonna go right here. Thank you guys for your love and support. We can't say this enough. Again, if you want to be a part of the notification gang, notification squad, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit the like button, comment down below one of those things right now. Notification boom bam bang, notification go do that right now. Notification chasey.
Notification break.
Yeah. Go ahead and comment down below one of those things, right? Love you guys, and we'll see you guys another time. Peace. Look who leaving us.
Oh God.
She gone. Mommy gone. Mommy gone.
She's dishing us to Jamaica.
She gone. Look, that suitcase packed. Suitcase out and ready. You're gonna leave us. Bye, mommy.
Bye.
She's lucky one to get to.
Yeah, she got to go to Jamaica right now. And unfortunately, we have to stay here.